want to get rid of the cuff, please do like this. Okay, if you are done doing like this, and if still cuff is coming, do like this. So in this hand, sorry, but it is in this hand. It is right here. You should press here. Do it like this for 15 minutes, and also it is stopped. Then you should do this only 15 seconds. So thank you for watching this one short to how to get rid of this cuff. So this was only the wet cuff things. If you have cuff, please tell me. Okay, bye.